Hi, my name is Tenzin Kunga and I'm the chairman of the Tibetan community in Britain and also the advocacy officer at Free Tibet. This message is for Catherine to express my deep appreciation for all her efforts in getting the Tibet flag raising in Milton Keynes organized year in and year out. I know that this year is going to be the 10th consecutive year that she and her team at the Milton Keynes are organizing this Tibet flag raising. This is a very important occasion, and this sends a really very strong message of solidarity with the Tibetans inside Tibet who continue to suffer some of the harshest repression under the Chinese colonial occupation. I wish Catherine all the best in all her future endeavors, and really would like to say a deep and a very hearty thank you to her and to all her team for all these years of Tibet flag raising. We deeply appreciate that, and on behalf of all Tibetans, I would like to once again say thank you, Catherine.
Hello, my name is Sering Pasang and I'm a member of the Tibetan community in Britain. I wish to congratulate Catherine, Sister Maruta, and local community of Milton Keynes for this amazing 10th anniversary celebration of the Tibet flag raising in Milton Keynes. I wish to add that with your amazing initiative through the raising of the Tibet flag actually helps and to amplify the voices of the Tibetans, keeping the hope and keeping the issue of Tibet alive. This is so wonderful, and as a Tibetan, I wish to thank from bottom of my heart for all your hard work, and may this wonderful Tibet flag raising continues in Milton Keynes. Thank you very much. Touch the leg.
Hello, Catherine. Thank you very much for organizing this event for the past 10 years, and I really appreciate your support and love for Tibet. Thank you very much.
My name is Shrab. I'm a Tibetan living in Bristol. Today, I would like to say a big thank you and appreciation to Catherine Monita and the team for the 10th flag raising anniversary at Milton Keynes. I, on behalf of all the Tibetans inside and outside Tibet, really appreciate your undying support for Tibet for all these times. Thank you, and Free Tibet.
Hello everyone, Tashi Dalek. I'm Tashi Dundup, the chairman of Bristol Tibetan community. On behalf of all our members, I wish very happy 10th flag raising day in Milton Keynes, and we hugely appreciate too Catherine and Martina and your teams or your long-term support to Tibetan people. Thank you very much, all of us here. Thank you. Pejalo. Pejalo.
Hello, Catherine, Tashi Deleg. This is Namgyal, and it's my pleasure to leave this message for you. I've known you for almost 10 years now. I deeply appreciate all your efforts in organizing Tibet flag raising events at Milton Keynes, which is a great way to honor the undying spirit of Tibetans inside Chinese occupied Tibet. I attended these events, and it's always a joyous occasion, and also have participated in the flag run once. Thank you, Catherine, for all you have been doing for Tibet. Thank you, Tujiche.
Happy 10th flag raising anniversary to Milton Keynes, Catherine and team. Thank you, and cutting chair from Bristol.
This is Nima. Firstly, I would like to say happy 10th anniversary raising the Tibet flag in Milton Keynes. And also I would like to express my appreciation and gratitude to my mother Catherine and sister Morita and your love and hard working for this incredible special event in Nansung-ki. And we Tibetan people always remember and appreciate for your hard work. And then I also would like to say thank you to the community of the Nansung-ki. And this such a beautiful event cannot happen without your support. Thank you very much. We Tibetan always remember and appreciate your kind and your support and your love. And one Tibetan victory, you are part of our victory. Thank you. Bojalo.